I'm GP41 and today is my last day of my Christmas holiday vacation. And well, I have searched in Google that MediaMarkt, that is one of the most important retailers, technology retailers in Spain, is open today. So well, for my home I need a Wi-Fi signal amplifier because actually the signal is very low, and well, I work with video edition and I need to normally send very big files of data, so I need a high quality signal on my office. And well, let's go. Well, they have sent me that the Wi-Fi signal amplifier, they are upset. Well, finally I'm going to get this one, the TP-Link Wifi Range Extender, the AC1750. Well, I have it. And now I will visit to Carrefour to buy some food and turn back home. Okay. So we are here back at the office and it's time to start with the unboxing of the Wi-Fi Range Extender TP-Link AC1750. Okay, as we can see at the box, this model, this TP-Link, has 3 years warranty and it has dual band connection, separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands that allow more devices to connect to the network, as well as an access point mode, high speed mode, easy startup and management, and access control to allow or restrict internet access for certain devices. And finally, it has power gadgets to save power. Okay, so let's open it. And well, here the first that we find is a quick installation guide. Okay, we will take a look to it, and here we have the device. Okay, whoa, it looks very pretty. Yeah, I like the design. It has quality. Here we have an internet connection to connect directly your computer or your console or your TV directly to the device by Ethernet. So you get directly the full power speed of internet or your internet connection. Well, let's take out the plastic, and okay, here we find that we have 3 antennas that is very easy to pull off there and upside. You turn it upside, and well, I think that here it has an LED that shows you the state, if it's connected or if it's not. It has a great ventilation, so it doesn't get warm. And well, that's it. It says at the box that it has a coverage of 1,150 square meters. So I think that for my home it will be fantastic. So here's the place where I'm going to place it, and let's see if it's perfect to get a great quality connection. As you can see, we have a quick installation guide and it's very easy to install the device. You just have to download this app at the App Store or the Google Play Store and match the TP-Link device with your main internet connection, create a password, and that's it. Now we are going to test how is my connection with the new device. Let's see. Finally, as you can see here, the benchmark, I think that I have made a great achievement, and well, in the next days I will tell you if it's worth or not to buy this range extender. Okay, this is the end of my first vlog, so if you have liked it, please thumb up, and see you on the next one. Keep it rolling!